Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an extraordinary topic: how to train your subconscious mind for personal growth. Your subconscious is like a powerful computer running in the background, influencing your thoughts, actions, and ultimately your destiny. Ready to harness its power? Let's get started. First, let's understand what the subconscious mind is. Think of your mind as an iceberg. The tip above water is your conscious mind, logical and aware. But below the surface lies the massive hidden powerhouse, your subconscious. It stores memories, beliefs, and emotions that drive your behavior. The key to personal growth lies in aligning this hidden force with your goals. Technique number 1, visualization. The subconscious speaks the language of images. To communicate with it, create a vivid mental picture of your goals. Imagine yourself living your dream life. Feel the emotions as if it's already happening. This tricks your subconscious into believing it's real, aligning your actions to make it happen. Athletes and performers use this technique to achieve peak performance. Why shouldn't you? Next up, affirmations. These are positive statements you repeat to rewire your subconscious. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," try, "I am capable and strong." Say it with emotion and conviction. Your subconscious doesn't differentiate between truth and repetition. It believes what it hears often. Write them down, say them daily, and watch the magic unfold. Third technique, journaling. Writing bridges the gap between your conscious and subconscious. Start a journal to document your goals, express gratitude, and explore your emotions. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Over time, you'll notice clarity and focus as your subconscious starts working behind the scenes to bring your vision to life. Want more? Pair these techniques with meditation to quiet your conscious mind and let your subconscious shine. Be consistent. These practices take time. And most importantly, trust the process. Your subconscious is a mighty ally in your personal growth journey. By practicing visualization, affirmations, and journaling, you can reprogram it to unlock your true potential. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips. See you in the next video.